Hi, it's Mike from Beach Home Inspections. Here's some more maintenance tips for you. What do you look for when you want to inspect your deck? Let's have a look. So here's a very typical deck on the front of this home. It has a vinyl deck and some metal railings. The metal railings, as you can see, have been mounted right through that vinyl protecting cover. So the first thing I want to look at is to see whether or not the caulking around these screws that are holding the railing on, if they're done right and if they're not aged too much. And it looks like they're performing quite well here. The next thing I want to look at is how sturdy is it. We'll give it a bit of a push here. We don't want anybody falling off, so we want to make sure that it's secured properly. And it looks like it is. The last thing I'm going to point out is it safe? And what we can actually see is we have a proper spacing of no more than 4 inches. And there's nothing for little kids to be able to climb up and maybe fall over. So I would say that this deck is doing very well, performing as it should. There you are. A few more tips for you. Have a great day.